Oak Street Manufacturing's pneumatic adjustable height table bases are designed to give restaurants real flexibility without sacrificing durability or stability. These bases allow operators to easily move tables from standard dining height up to bar height, which is ideal for spaces that serve multiple purposes throughout the day. Whether the room is being used for lunch service, evening cocktails, private events, or group dining, the same tables can adapt quickly to whatever the floor plan requires. What really sets our adjustable bases apart is how easy they are to use. Instead of lifting heavy tables or swapping out furniture, staff can simply use the pneumatic lever to raise or lower the table smoothly and safely. The system supports the weight of the tabletop, so adjustments take very little effort and can be done in seconds. This not only saves time, but also helps reduce strain and the risk of injury for employees. From an operational standpoint, this kind of flexibility is extremely valuable. A dining room can be reconfigured between day parts, special events, or high-volume periods without bringing in extra tables or storing multiple sets of furniture. One table can serve as a standard dining table during the day and convert to bar height in the evening, which helps maximize floor space and reduces overall furniture investment. Pneumatic adjustability is also helpful for accessibility. Instead of dedicating permanent space to fixed ADA tables, operators can lower tables as needed to provide proper clearance for guests using wheelchairs or mobility devices, then adjust those tables to other heights as needed. This makes it easier to stay compliant while keeping layouts efficient and flexible. Another major benefit is speed during room resets. In restaurants, hotels, and event venues, staff often need to flip spaces quickly between services or events. Adjustable bases eliminate the need for tools or disassembly, allowing teams to reset table heights rapidly and keep operations moving. Faster turnovers can directly support higher revenue potential. Over the long term, adjustable bases also make financial sense. Since the same table can serve multiple functions, operators can reduce how many tables they need to purchase, store, and eventually replace. Combined with commercial-grade construction, this supports better asset utilization and lower total cost of ownership over time. Visually, the bases maintain a clean appearance. The adjustment lever is mounted discreetly under the tabletop, so it stays out of sight while remaining easy for staff to reach. The process is intuitive and requires minimal training, which helps ensure consistent use across shifts. Oak Street offers two primary pneumatic adjustable base models to support different applications: the B27-ADJ and the B2543-ADJ. The B27-ADJ is a great option for small to mid-size dining tables where flexibility is a top priority. It adjusts pneumatically from 26 inches up to 41.5 inches, making it easy to move between dining and bar height. The adjustment lever mounts under the tabletop so it stays hidden while remaining easy to access. This base features a 27.5 by 27.5 crossfoot that provides strong stability while maintaining a compact footprint. One base can support common tabletop sizes like 30 by 30 square tops and 30 round tops. It can also be used with 36 square or round tops, although assistance may be helpful when adjusting due to the added weight. For larger tabletops, such as 30 by 48 and above, using two bases is recommended for proper support and stability. The B27-ADJ includes non-marring adjustable black glides, which protect finished floors and allow for easy leveling on uneven surfaces. This makes it well suited for flexible dining areas, event spaces, and any application where tables may need to change height frequently throughout the day. The B2543-ADJ is designed for larger tables and applications where accessibility is a key requirement. Like the B27-ADJ, it offers pneumatic height adjustment from 26 inches to 41.5 inches, with the lever mounted under the tabletop for a clean appearance. This model uses two 25 and 5/8 inch T-style or end feet, which provide excellent front-to-back stability and proper knee clearance. It is specifically designed to support 30 by 48 tabletops, making it ideal for larger dining formats, community tables, or layouts that require ADA-compliant seating. Because the base is engineered to meet accessibility guidelines, it helps operators confidently provide compliant seating without sacrificing flexibility in the overall layout. Non-marring adjustable glides are also included, protecting floors and ensuring the table remains stable even on uneven surfaces. This model is a strong fit for hospitality environments that need both durability and the ability to adapt to changing seating requirements. In summary, pneumatic adjustable table bases give operators a practical way to future-proof their dining spaces. They allow tables to move quickly between dining and bar height, improve staff safety by reducing lifting, support accessibility needs without permanent layout restrictions, and speed up room resets for events and service changes. At the same time, they help maintain consistent presentation across the dining room and reduce the total amount of furniture an operation needs to own and store. For restaurants and hospitality venues looking for adaptable, efficient, and long-lasting table solutions, Pneumatic adjustability delivers both immediate operational benefits and long-term financial value. Thank you for completing this module. You can learn more about our pneumatic adjustable table bases and all our quality Oak Street products, capabilities, and resources by going to oakstreetmfg.com and follow us on our socials, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn at Oak Street MFG.